Hello, sir. How are you today? You are hiding, yeah? Hey guys, so I'm back to the office build, and like you already saw, I already started to do some small bits and pieces that we had left from the last time that we've been here. Now even the weather is a little bit better, but it's still not that good because now it's dusty. Before it was a lot of mud, now it's dusty. Now this project here, I'm just doing it in my spare time, and probably all this project till at this point, it passed around 6 months now. Probably I've been here for a couple of weeks, maybe 3-4 weeks, something like that. And during that time some other people they came, and they've done some plumbing and other stuff like that. And yeah, whenever I will have some time, I'm just coming here and do some more bits and pieces. We've done most of them at the beginning. The place is watertight and everything, so we left these small bits and pieces at the end for when it's going to be a bit of time. So yeah, I will still need to put one more felt on top of the roof, because at the moment has just the underlay. So we are just going to put another a cap sheet on, and yeah, but most of this project now is done. So actually at the moment I'm just going to cut some ply, and I'm just going to cover this bit, and that one I just left it like that. I just put some mesh on just for the bugs. We don't want to spend money for fascias and soffits and other stuff like that. That is going to cost quite a lot when we are going to put everything together. So yeah, this building, I don't know for how long it will have to stay here, probably for about 2-3 years or something like that. So yeah, we don't want to spend too much on this project, which we already done. And the budget, it's over at the moment. So yeah, let's carry on with these small bits and pieces. Now this roof stayed like that for a long time, and especially from when it started to be very hot outside, a lot of dust went onto the roof, and now I want to put my cap sheet on, and I was thinking just to use a little bit the brush, the broom, and just clean it up. I believe it's a much better idea just to use the Karcher, and I'm going to wash everything off. Nice and clean now, and it already started to dry up. Now, who does that? I never saw someone cleaning the roof with the Karcher before applying the cap sheet. Are you winning over there?
Mate, stop trying to take my shit up.
It's all tangled.
Yeah.
Who done that?
You.
Yeah, but it took me like 10 minutes to do that when I started to use it. It's in a better state now.
Oh, mate.
Alright guys, so I just finished with the felt here on this side. I had to use some cuts off from this top cap here, and I used them on this side because I didn't have enough material to finish. I hate to use like small bits and pieces like that, but it's going to do the job. I will still need to do that one because again I don't have enough, and yeah, this side is done and it should be a little bit better because till now, all this time, actually it passed through the winter with all that rain with just one underlay, with just one sheet of underlay. So I believe now it's going to be much better. I don't know when I'm going to come back for this side here, but yeah, for now it's a little bit more protected, at least half of the office side. So let's just go downstairs and see what have we done till at this point. All right, so this side is going to be a storage area with the bathroom, and we are going to go inside just in one moment. Of course I will still need to do that bit on top with the roofing felt. No, this place here is selling insulation board, B grade, A grade, and all that stuff. So if you need any insulation for your shed, for your summer house, this is the place. So yeah, now this is the side that I just put it temporarily now because I was washing on top of the roof and everything was going onto the walls, and I stained it a little bit on this side. Hello sir. You have a nice envelope over there. It's mine? Alright. Somebody needed to clean all this mess around here. So alright, we didn't do much at the back, but let's go inside. Alright, so this is going to be the office entrance. Those are going to be the colors for the render, because they can do the color of the render right here. So yeah, this is the kitchen. Some treats over there, TV, sofa, and yeah, pretty much everything. Oh yeah, and before I'm going to forget, I installed this water heater right here for the hot water onto this sink and the bathroom sink that is at the back, and the shower is going to have his own heating system, which is going to be electric shower. So let's go into the other side, as I don't have the keys right now. Do you have the keys?
Thanks for today.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Have you got change?
Yeah, how much? Thanks.
Oh, I washed my fucking hands. Now I've got to clear that up.
Huh?
I said I just washed my hands.
Yeah, I can clean that one out.
It's all good.
Alright, don't worry. Can you open the door here? Thank you. Alright, so this is the storage area. That is the machine that is going to do the colors for the render. And we have a small space here. And then the bathroom. Shower panels. Yeah. me right over there, quite tired for today. We've done a lot of work, so yeah, pretty much that's it. Probably you already saw the video, but for some of you that they didn't saw it, here we go. This is the finished product. Probably it's too nice for a place like this. People here are just going to come in and out, and nobody's going to clean or take care of the place. So yeah, it's going to be a bit messy, even because right here is a lot of dust when it's hot outside, and it's a lot of mud when it's raining outside. Now I don't know if I'm going to put even that side one. I had to build all that side, just some shelves, just to use it for some of the items that they sell here. And when I've done that, the video didn't had any audio on it, so yeah, I don't think I'm going to do that video. I kind of lost it. Anyway, this is our office. We are in Langley area around here, and I believe the place is called Euro Storage. And if you ever need something, just ask for the great tent at the security, at the entrance. So right guys, just stick with me, because sooner or later probably I'm going to get that job where it's not going to be any fixed budget, and we are going to do even better than what we have done right here. So at this point, don't forget to squeeze that like button, and see you on the next one. Subscribe.